चिल्लो फोटो लेवो पण
This is local discovery, and this local name of the birds is the Rigido. This is tailoring the best exercise in his beak, and his working up your nest is our beautiful beak, and the weaving exercise is very good. And this is birds, small birds of the Rigido. Is local language Gujarati. This birds is very interesting. इसको देव चकली मतलब डिवाइन स्पैरो. His beak is eating his mother is going to the research of food. This is two birds is very nice. This is our local discovery. Discovery is here and there. This is no nest but the stand of the here. Nest is near to his positions. Thank you very much.